Looking for an easy way to turn your Figma designs and prototypes into user testing studies? Then UXtweak Prototype Usability Testing Plugin is the right solution for you. Our plugin ensures quick, reliable, and optimized import of even the largest and most complex Figma files, preserving all interactions, animations, and sections in the prototype, while offering the flexibility to test specific flows or entire prototypes. Let's explore how you can set up a study in UXtweak to use our Figma Prototype Usability Testing plugin. If you want to use our Figma plugin for prototype testing, you have to insert a Figma prototype link to the UXtweak study setup. Let me show you how to do that. Right now, we are in the UXtweak Prototype Testing Study setup in the Designs tab. To create a Figma prototype link for the test, we first have to go to Figma. From the study setup, go to your Figma dashboard. Find the file with the Figma prototype you would like to test and open it. In our example, we are going to test this prototype, so we'll create a Figma prototype link for it. To use our plugin, please make sure all prototype parts and flows are located on the same page in Figma. To copy the prototype link, find the blue Share button on the right-hand corner at the top of your screen. Click on it. You see a pop-up window with the Copy Link button and Prototype Access information. Make sure you set your prototype file to can be viewed by anyone, so your participants can view it during the studies. Now, click on the Copy Link button. You should see a link copied message right after. By the way, with our new plugin, it does not matter whether you are using design or prototype mode in Figma to copy the link for the study. Now, it's time to go back to the study setup. In the Designs tab, on the right-hand side, find the Import options. Check that you have Import with Figma plugin option selected and paste your link in the field below. There we go. We have successfully created a Figma link for our prototype testing study and can now continue importing the prototype. Let's go through the most important things you need to know about our Figma plugin to use it effectively. After you've successfully created the prototype link, you should now see a note asking you to copy and paste this link below to our plugin in Figma. This is necessary to import your prototype flows to the study. This also allows to keep prototype elements, such as specific fonts or brand elements, intact. Copy this link and go back to your Figma file. In Plugins, search for UXtweak Prototype Usability Testing Plugin. Select the plugin. Now, paste the link we copied from the study setup into the UXtweak plugin pop-up you see. Press Continue. You will see that the plugin is asking you to specify which flows you'd like to test. If you have a big prototype, we advise you to choose specific flows for testing rather than uploading the whole prototype. This will make the testing experience better for you and your participants. By the way, if you want to check the starting frame of your flows, you can press this button right here. Choose the flows you want to test and press Continue. If you accidentally chose the wrong Figma page and selected flows on it during the import step, here is what to do. Click on the correct page you want to use in the study. Our plugin will show you the following message, asking you to reload the flows so it can access the flows on the chosen page. Then, click on Reload Flows and choose the new flows you'd like to test. That's it. During the upload, you will see a progress bar showing the import progress on the screen. You don't have to stay in Figma and wait while the prototype is being imported. You can go back to the study setup and continue by editing study messages, adding branding elements, or adding a screening questionnaire. However, to add the study tasks, you do have to wait until the import is finished. By the way, if you accidentally refresh the setup page in UXtweak, don't worry. The prototype is still being imported in the background. When the upload is complete, you will see a prototype imported successfully message in Figma, and you will see your prototype in the study setup. After the prototype is successfully imported, you can see your prototype flows in the Preview section. If you click on the flow tags here, you will be taken to the start of each flow. You can also interact with the prototype to see how each flow works step by clicking on the prototype. If you make any changes to your prototype in Figma, such as changing elements or adding a new frame, you can synchronize the prototype with the study. To do so, click on the Synchronize button, copy the link you see on the screen, and paste it into our Figma plugin. Reselect the flows you'd like to test, and select Continue. Your prototype will be updated. Last but not least, let's take a quick look at setting up the tasks in the Tasks tab. In UXtweak, you have two options for setting up the success path. You can either use the full path match, where participants have to go through all the necessary designs in a predetermined order to achieve the success path. Or you can select the start and end path only. With this setting, participants can switch between designs in any order and still achieve the success path, as long as they reach the predetermined final design. With our new Figma plugin, you can now select the start of a flow as the starting point for the task, or select a specific design within the flow you want participants to see first. To finalize the study, go through the setup and add the study name, which devices you want participants to complete tasks on, branding, custom messages, and other elements you'd like to include. To try our Figma plugin, go to UXtweak.com, sign up, and create your first study. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on all new exciting UXtweak features.